What up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? I'm back and I'm breaking down that riff that I told you I would. Part 1 challenge, and I got a new challenge for you after this. But here's the riff. So let's break it down really quick. And if you didn't get it, just slow it down, practice it over and over, you're gonna get it. I think that's it. Did I do it right? Anyways, you guys got the gist of it. It's not going to be too different from that if you didn't get it. If it's not dead on perfect, that's pretty much the gist of the riff, all right? If you're still having trouble with this, make sure you click the link below, let me know, and I'm going to do my best to help you out. But until then, guys, keep on singing. And also, check out my vocal courses. I got some new programs for you guys, and I'm coming in hot. It's selling, so you guys make sure you go buy, support, learn, elevate yourself, and keep getting better as a singer, all right? I got y'all. Peace.